Russia's Sputnik News.cn website reported that China tried to develop vertical takeoff and landing VTOL fighters in the 1960s and 1970s, but failed. Now China is again considering building such fighters. There are only two countries in the world that have the technology to build VTOL fighters: Russia and Britain. The US is not included, as the US F-35B uses technology purchased from Russia. Russia is experienced not only in making the special engines, but also quite a few other devices for VTOL fighters. For example, the ejection seat for the pilot to escape when the VTOL fighter jet has a problem in taking off or landing. The VTOL Stealth J-31 will enable China to turn the huge amphibious attack warships it is building into light aircraft carriers, so that China's J-31 will be a rival to the SF-35. Russia has said it can help China develop the VTOL J-31.